All right, you guys, here I'm back. Let me do a mic check real fast. Mic check 1, check 1. Mic check 2, check 2. Okay, my mic is working really good. Here I am, you guys. This is the debut for the Roy G Biv. Yes, Rainbow Man / Woman. Roy G Biv is also Rainbow Snake, you guys, just so you know. Yes, I'm going to show you here all the things you need to know really quick on the fly about the Roy G Biv. I have all the math together. You know, there's so much in my codex I could share, so I just keep making videos to share. First off, I want to tell you about Roy G Biv for the rainbow. Oh yeah, it's that red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And the G BIV, it comes together to create a sum. Oh yeah, so you have in simple, let's just do the simple one first because I want to show you how the simple English will show you so much just with that code breaker codex, okay, with the numbers and letters linking together to provide information further about the Roy G Biv. Okay, so then you have Roy. Let me turn this around so I can show you. Okay, so here I've got the Roy G Biv. R18, O15, Y25, G7, B2, I9, and V22, and how that equals the 98. Okay, the 98 goes through the mirror for the 89 queen to come through. So you must understand right off the bat how Roy G Biv connects to the red queen for 89. Likewise, 98, you need to know all of these words equal 98. 98 shows you how the Roy G Biv connects to all these words. So, for example, Roy G Biv is the crystal, 98. The chosen one, 98. Alpha and Omega, 98. The Garden of Eden, 98. Flowers, 98. 88. 98. Notice how 88 window equals 98. Nero Caesar, 98. And you need to know Nero means black. And then you have your Trinity Electric Spirit Alpha Rabbit right there. Okay. Then you have your Python, 98. Then you have your alphabet. Oh yeah, the alphabet equals 98, you guys. So Roy G Biv, the rainbow, is connecting straight to that alphabet, you guys. No doubt, no doubt. Okay, and then you have your waterfall, 98. Roy G Biv is also concerning the angel of death, 98. And goodness, 98. Roy G Biv is also going to link to that 5 iron for that 5 on the die, you guys, right there at 98. Likewise, Roy G Biv is going to connect to your stoop ID. Yes, for your angel identification right there on your stoop in planet Earth. This is what Roy G Biv connects to, and there is a pot of gold right at the end of the rainbow, you guys, because 98 connects directly to that violet flame, and that violet flame is your crown of gold. Likewise, the violet's also the purple. Okay, I didn't do purple in this one. We chose violet to stay with, but I want to show you the numbers regarding Roy G Biv in the Hebrew. Okay, here we go. Here's your Hebrew gematria. I show how R for red, RED equals 89 in the Hebrew gematria. Orange equals 183 in the Hebrew gematria. It equals 1395 for yellow in the Hebrew gematria. Green is 137 in the Hebrew gematria. Blue is 227 in the Hebrew gematria. Indigo is 119 in the Hebrew gematria. Notice your alpha AI coming through right there in the eye. But violet is for 884 in the Hebrew gematria. Then you have your standard English that comes into play. Red, 162. guess I should do the sums for this. Okay, so the sum in the Hebrew gematria for all this is 30, 34, which condenses down to 10 and to 1. So we'll put this in our 1 file regarding Roy G. Biv. 1 meaning the alpha. Yes, Roy G. Biv connects directly to your alpha right there. Okay, and then you have your English standard that comes through. Red, 162. Orange, 360. Oh, there's your orange for your 360 for your full sacred circle right there. Your sacred circle is your 360 connect. Just like Jack is going to connect to that 55 heaven on that 52 earth right there for the 25 Jack. But this is concerning the color yellow, 552. Okay, which is also gold. This is why he's the golden child too. But green in the English standard is 294, just like blue is 240, indigo is 348, and violet is 498. When you add all this together, you get 24 hours on your 54 sun for your 2454 to come through in your sacred circle with your man in the moon tag 6. So this will go in your F file right there for Roy G. Biv. Definitely connects to the moon. Okay, and then you have Roy G. Biv in your English standard. It's going to give you more information on the codex because they use all the codes. All the codes work together. There's not one that's better than the other, you guys. They all work together to provide information and intel. In your simple English, red equals 27, orange equals 60, yellow equals 92. Yellow is also going to connect to that 26 dog god game right there because you must flip that 9 into a 6 sometimes to understand the codex. But green is for your 49. Blue is 40, indigo is 58, and violet is 83, which is going to connect to that 38 fire. Oh, yeah. And then when you add up Roy G. Biv in English, you get your 409 for your formula 409. Okay? And then it connects you to the 13th sign, the 13th one. And then your fire, earth, air, water connect right there for Roy G. Biv. For 4. Because 4 is for the D. Fire, earth, air, water. Okay? And notice how 409 is a powerful cleaner, you guys. This is why you must clean house. Yes, Roy G. Biv must clean house and find formula 409. That's where it comes from, you guys, if you're wondering. Why would they name a cleaner 409? Right there, the gematria shows you why it's connecting to that Roy G. Biv, that Rainbow Man, that Mr. Clean. Likewise, all the logos talks about the word of God. And I have some more stuff here. I just showed how, 162, it holds Saturn because it's got the 1 and the 2, the 12 right there. Saturn. AB is also Saturn Connect, you guys, for the black box. Just like red. See how red in Hebrew gematria is 89? Red right there connects you to the Queen of Hearts, the Red Queen. Okay, 17Q, 89 right there. And 98 is for the chosen one. So red's going to link directly to that chosen one. I did orange over here. I showed you how it had the 38 fire, and how it's 12 Saturn Connect. I showed over here how orange and the English standard is connecting to the whole because 360 is the whole. And you need to know 360 is the whole, and so is the 60 seconds on the clock. 60 seconds on the clock is containing the whole as well because the whole clock, the circle of the clock, is 60 seconds in a sense. Okay, indigo. I want to point out how indigo, it's in the eye go. The grand eye that goes. We are in it. Okay. Oh, and then I pointed out here, anytime you see 4 and 8, just know it's for your 48 hours mystery. That's what it's for, you guys. 48 hours mystery. 48 hours mystery is Saturn Connect, you guys, because 4 and 8 is 12. Yeah, and I show how violet over here has your 88 window. I show how yellow over here has your 55 heaven. On this side, I show how green connects you straight to that Abraham. Oh yeah, it connects you to that Abraham. It connects you to so much, that green. I use the mirror. show you how to use the mirror. I can